Did you know that broccoli is one of the easiest plants to grow at home? If you are a broccoli fan like me, let me show you how to grow your own plant. It all starts with the seeds, which you can buy in any garden store. Besides this, you need some high nutrients, well-draining soil, and a big pot to make sure your plant has enough space to grow. Since broccoli is a dark germinator, you can just dig a very little hole up to 1 centimeter and bury the seed inside. After that, make sure to properly water. Usually, it just takes 3 to 5 days for broccoli to germinate, and therefore you will see the seedling pretty fast. Once the plant started to grow, it really speeds up the growing process. After about 4 weeks, you can start to use high nitrogen fertilizer. I'd like to use it almost every week if you have enough sun or plant lamps. Otherwise, I would just use it every 2 weeks. Besides using a big pot from the start, you can also go for smaller pots and repot the plants after a while. Or you can plant the seeds directly in your garden if you want to grow them outdoors. If you have several plants, make sure to keep at least a distance of 60 centimeters between the plants, since they grow really big, as we also can see in the time-lapse. Besides the usage of fertilizer, you should make sure to provide the plant enough water. I'd like to water my plants whenever the upper soil starts to get dry. If you like the tutorial and would like to see more, it would be amazing to leave a comment or like to help me out. If you are looking for a specific tutorial, just drop it in the comment and I will see how I can help. Once the plant has grown a decent size, it starts to grow the broccoli flower. If the growth of the flower starts to slow down and it has a nice green color, it is ready to harvest. At this stage, it should have tightly packed buds.